Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we are taking my Nissan 240 S14 manual transmission to the shop to finally get it rebuilt. This has been a long time coming. This shop was recommended to me by a best friend, so I'm about to see how good of work they really do. Stay tuned. This is the first time I'm actually getting something rebuilt on this car in a very long time, and it's about that time. So stay tuned. Here we go. I'm gonna take you guys on the trip. Bow. Well, I dropped off the transmission at Anaheim Gear. It's in good hands now. They're gonna go ahead and take care of the rebuild. They gave me a good breakdown of what they will be doing to the transmission and how I will get it back. I'm very satisfied. It'll take about a week, so within that week I will be working on the 240, modifying a couple things, fixing a couple things before I put the transmission back in, so the transmission will go in easier, so when I do take it out, it won't be as hard to take it out the third time around as I need to like fix something or modify something. So that's coming up next. Yeah, now I'm gonna go to work and I will check back in with you guys later when I'm working on the 240. Hello guys, we are back with the second phase of this transmission update. We will be dropping the clutch on this to get repaired. I decided to bring you guys with me so you guys can see the other process of this. Got the tools right here. Yeah, look at the car is just collecting dust. Oh my god, it's been in better shape. Let's get started. Okay, the clutch is out. We got it. Some Booth eBay clutch, but we got it out. I'm gonna get this rebuilt or either buy a new one. Haven't figured it out yet, but stay tuned. You'll figure this out.